Hi guys, my name is Pratik Joshi and welcome to yet another episode of Tales of Goa. Mostly Diwali is associated with Narkasur night, but here in today's video I'm going to be speaking about something different, something related to food. So, another thing in Goa that is related with Diwali is Fov. What is this Fov and why is it so important? All of it we are going to be understanding in this video. So, without wasting much time, let's get started. Understanding Fov or flattened rice from a mythological point of view during Diwali, it is believed that after defeating Narkasur, when Satyabhama and Lord Krishna returned home, Lord Krishna was smeared with oils and perfumes by his wives. This was followed by a holy bath to remove any blood or impurities present on him. Following the bath, it is believed that Lord Krishna's wives performed an aarti as he had returned home victorious after killing Narkasur. After the aarti, it is said that he had his first meal. Any guesses as to what this meal could have been? Yes, that is right. It was a bowl of fov or flattened rice to restore his energy. Growing up, Lord Krishna loved rice products. That's why his friend Sudama got him parched rice when he visited Krishna in Dwarka. Coming back to how fov became an important part of Goan Diwali, the custom followed by Lord Krishna of having fov after having the bath and aarti is followed to this day in Goa, where the ladies first perform aarti of the men and children of the house, after which the entire family sits together to eat fov. Many watching this might be confused as to why there is a tradition of burning Narkasur effigies in Goa during Diwali, while the rest of the world celebrates the homecoming of Lord Ram. For that, I recommend you watch episode 2 of Tales of Goa. The video link is present in the I button and in the description of this video. Understanding this from a practical perspective, Diwali is a festival that occurs during the months of October-November. Since Goa's major crop is rice, one of the major processed rice product is fov or flattened rice. Since rice is available in two major categories, white rice and brown rice, the same options are available in flattened rice or fov as well. Since farming was one of the major occupations in Goa, fov would have been the perfect way to give rice the respect it deserves during an auspicious festival such as Diwali. Almost all families in Goa prepare fov in their traditional ways. Each family has their own secret ingredient and a different way of presentation. Many families, including mine, prepare multiple types of fov to add to the fun and flavor of Diwali. Preparing fov and eating it during an auspicious festival such as Diwali shows how the state of Goa and its people aim to support its farmers who produce rice in Goa. So enough of explanations, now let's go on to see what we do in the Joshi family with respect to fov. So Mama, amka sang what you have prepared in the Joshi family.
दिवाळी सगळ्यात पयलीं हे दुधांतले फोव, हे रोसांतले फोव, हे बटाट फोव, हे कालयल्ले फोव, हे चण्याची उसळ, आंबाड्याची करम, केळ्याचो हलवो,
So that is it for this episode of Tales of Goa, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video till the very end. Wishing all of you all a very happy Diwali from all of us here in the Joshi family. Hope to see you for the next episode. So until then, be happy, stay safe, take care of your loved ones. Dev Baray Karo.